No, you guys are quite more chaotic than the other classes. Look. Me doing this recording is a tactic to kind of quiet you guys down. All right? What have you done? So, honestly, I don't know if it's quite your fault because it's after lunch. You know? Usually, every single class after lunch is a little rowdy. Where? Yeah. Yeah. Did you guys get the little title already? No? Yeah, please get that. Also, like whenever the YouTube video plays, I kind of hear myself, but then I always sound like I'm yelling. Because no, it's like that, you know. But then sometimes I am yelling.
Wait, so if it only hears your voice, it's gonna sound like you're talking to yourself. It's gonna sound like you're talking to yourself.
What? Oh no! I mean, I'm sure it's like. I'm sure you guys will know that I'm talking to someone else. What?
No. Oh, it's like when people. Isn't it when like flashing lights? No, that's an electric seizure. That's an electric seizure, dude. No.
Okay, get this formula down, please.
Same thing.
No, they're not the same. Have you guys seen this before? This part? Yes. So you've seen it before, yeah? Okay, we're doing this again, but then we're connecting it to the change in y over change in x. Okay? The only new thing that I want to describe here is that you see how you guys are subtracting the two values? This is like the new one, this is the old one, that's the change. Okay, if you subtract it, that's the change. Okay? That's what we talked about yesterday. All right? Same thing for the x values. Okay? So when you're done, we can go on to the next. Are you guys good? You guys are good? Over there? All right. Okay. On the little examples column right here, I just wanted to point those two things out specifically because people still get confused, okay? So I'm making it a point to make sure that you guys are not confused. These two things, all right? If 0 is in the denominator, it's undefined. 0 is in the numerator, everything is just 0. Okay? Please, even copy this down. Okay, because there is a difference. And then I'll do 3 examples with you guys, and I'll leave you guys alone. Okay? Just for today. Say that again? Yeah, and 2 more on the other page.
Are we gonna have any homework?
You can, yeah. If you don't finish the class.
No, I'm not asking for homework. I'm asking if we're gonna have homework.
Does that mean we're ready? Yeah? Everybody got the little 2 notes on the side? Yes? Okay, first example. See number 1? So if you haven't done this before, start doing it like this, or try to make it like a good habit, okay? So your slope should be m is equal to something, right? Okay, the y2 minus y1, that is always on top, always in the numerator, okay? And the denominator will always be the x. All right, just like how we talked about the change of y over change in x, same thing here, okay? What you do next is I want you guys to label the points if you haven't done it in the past. So you see this 1, 1 right here? That's the first one that is given to you, right? And the ordered pairs are x and y, right? Yeah. So if they're the first x, y you got, x1, y1. And then the 4 is x. Let me use a different color. 4 is x2, y2. Okay? So I'll just ask, what am I looking for first? Y2. Start at the top, right? Y2 is what? 3 minus y1. 1. Okay, go to the bottom. X2. 4 minus 1 again. What's 3 minus 1? 2. 3. And I'm not going to make you write like m is equal to again. You could just do this. Okay? That's fine. As long as m is right here. As long as you start off with m in the beginning. Okay? Is that clear? If you don't start with m, then I need to see m equals 2 over 3 at the end. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's take a look at number 5. Okay, so I'll do the same thing just to keep it like a good practice, right? Copy the formula again. And then I got to go label them, right? The first one I should label what? X1. Keep it going. Y1. X2. Y2. If you got different colors, I highly encourage it because, easier to look at, right? Y2 is what? 9. Y1 is? X2? 3. Be careful. Okay, if you mix and match, it's not gonna be nice. Okay, so this is why be careful. I know you guys know how to read. Read it carefully, please. Minus x1, 5. What's 9 minus 9? 3 minus 5. Okay, so what's that equal to? 0. Done. Is that okay? Any questions? Good? Okay.
What do you mean, go tell her?
Okay, number 7. Last one I'll do. So same things. Okay. What am I labeling? And then Y2. Okay, what comes first? Y2 is? Yes. Why does Y2 come first? Because it is your latest point, your newest point. Because you take the new one, subtract it from the old one. And then you get the change. Do you guys notice anything yet? You guys have it this long, that's wrong? You guys left it wrong for that long? Yeah, you guys left it wrong for that long?
I don't think we were paying attention.
So if I catch you guys slacking, you're just gonna slack?
No.
No? Okay, what's y1? Okay, at the bottom, x2. Okay, look. Minus, what is y1? X1. Okay, x1 is negative 1, yes? And then watch, look. You see this? Double negative? Change it positive, like this. Is that okay? You guys want to see it again? Okay, see double negative, yes? Change this to positive, right? You can do this. Okay, what's 3 minus 9? And then 2 plus 1? Negative 6 divided by 3? Done. Okay. Here's the next part. Yeah?
Wait, so if you could... Wait, what? Where did you play?
Divide negative 6 by 3.
Oh, so if you could divide...
If you could divide. Yeah. But then, you know how you do slope? You have a fraction? Negative 2 is a whole number, right? How do I turn it into a fraction?
Also, you put it a 1 and 12.
Yes.
So it has to be a fraction?
You can leave it like that. But when you go on graph, yeah? You have to treat it like a fraction. Okay, so here's the next part. Can you guys cross this off in the last page? Yeah, like actually cross that. We're not doing that. The backwards part. I don't think it's a good example, so no. So cross this stuff off right here. 11 and 12 do not cross off. Did you do it already? It's okay.
I literally saw it cross off just now. Or am I that one? Yeah, you might be.
Okay. All right, classwork for today is finish it up to 12. Yes? Okay, so finish up to 12. That is it for today. I know.
Bro, really sad.